81% of customers begin their buying process with a search engine, whether looking for products to meet a need or a service which suits their organisation. Buying and selling almost always involves Google, Bing or another search engine. Think about when you search the internet yourself. Do you scroll far down the search results to find the answer or product you need? The answer's probably no, and that's because we crave convenience, and more often than not, we trust what the search engines are putting in front of us. Both studies and common sense tell us that if your website is at the bottom of the list, people won't click on it, and the fall off in clicks as we get further down the search results is exponential. So why are you so far down this list, but your competitors are at the top? It's because of a marketing technique called SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. Professional and educated SEO work will help your site rank higher than millions of others out there in response to certain keywords, which directly link to what you sell or do. Using Google as an example, search engines use algorithms to collect information about every page on the internet to determine their intention, so they can show them to the right searchers. During this process, Google's algorithm looks for certain things which your website needs to have in order to rank highly. This includes text, keywords, content, internal links, backlinks, and really anything included in the HTML code of your website. For example, if somebody searches for legal advice on the internet, the search engine will know which pages are relevant to show them, to match the intent of the search. The top results will be from the brands with the best SEO. Now, replace legal advice with the product or service you sell, and if your competitors are in the top few search results, consider how much traffic and subsequently revenue they're getting, which you aren't. Not ideal, right? The solution to this is simple, but not easy. Without SEO, your website might be amazing and your product the best on the market, but potential customers aren't going to see it online. In a world of selling which is primarily internet-based, you need expert SEO work to outrank your competitors and secure business growth. At Tau, we are experts in SEO and we love helping our clients become visible on the internet. Visit our website in the description below to learn what we can do for you.